good job. You did it.
Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back at Capture the Flag for their second big game of 2022, hosted by Mad Nation. I'm with my dad today where we'll be playing a smaller scale domination game. Our team is trying to capture and hold 3 points, one located in each of the buses around the field. The first team to hold all objectives at once takes the win. I'm using my Novritsch SSG10 to take advantage of the long shot angles on this field and hopefully help keep the center left lane clear as much as possible. But let's hop right in.
Yeah, he was at the corner, but I got a guy. That was nice. All right. Well, we can move up. They can't hit us really from here, but
most of the enemy team is in the tire piles to the right, with a number hunkering down inside of the bus up ahead.
There we go. Okay, got him. Wow, you're not gonna reach him. Like, I'm barely reaching him. There you go, bud. Hi. Oh, right there. Can I?
Yeah.
Sorry. Don't go too far out here.
I'm not.
I managed to snag a really lucky snapshot there.
Yeah.
I didn't know if you were lining up a shot.
Well, I was trying, but. Oh, did you get him? Yep. Yay! Good job. You did it. All right. Well, let's move up. Where'd you go? Oh, jeez. Hey, Dad. Oh. Hey, nice shot.
Okay, so that was a bit dumb of me. We'll try being a bit more concealed on the next respawn here.
Okay.
We've now managed to take the other 2 objectives. It's just this left side and the long run up to the bus that's causing us some trouble.
Hey, Dad, why don't you come back here? Thank you. Good call.
Isn't there a flag in the box?
Yeah. Well, we made it. Moving up on the bus, right side.
Coming up right side. Oh, everybody's out except one guy. Guys throwing a smoke bomb.
Wow, that's a nice one.
Yep. Here.
All right.
Battery?
And with a clean double kill at the end, we captured the last point and ended the game. Good hustle there, team. Thanks again to Mad Nation for hosting a really fun event. Please go check them out in the links below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.